Hey, so if you want to edit photos professionally for free, yeah, Darktable is a powerful alternative to paid tools. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Darktable in 2026. First thing, download and install Darktable from its official website. Then open the app on your computer. Next, import your photos. So go to the Light Table view and click Import to add images. All right, open an image and switch to Darkroom. I mean, this is where all editing happens. Now, adjust basic settings. Start with exposure, contrast, and white balance to improve your photo. Next, enhance colors. So use saturation, tone curve, and color balance for better results. All right, add effects. I mean, you can use sharpening, blur, or artistic filters. And yeah, export your final image. Go back to Light Table and choose Export Settings. So that's how you use Darktable step by step. Once you practice, you can create professional quality edits for free.